Hey cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to show you some of my planner tools.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living one step at a time.
First thing is this paper trimmer. It's super easy to use. All you'll do is just take a piece of paper, put it off in here to the size. We know that A5 paper is, what is this, 5.8 by 8.3 inches. So you just kind of sit it off in here, whatever size you want, and then press down on this, slide it across, bam, you have your piece of paper. You can cut it however you want. You want to cut it this way, press, cut, bam, you have your pieces. So that is my paper trimmer. Next thing I have is my punch. What this does, it makes squares. You can use these squares for anything you want. And what it does, it stores them at the bottom. You just open this up and you have your two squares. You can write on these, you can put them on your calendar, you can put them on your dashboard, you can be creative, do whatever you want with them. Next thing I have is this 6-ring punch. I don't use this often anymore, but I will show you how to use it, and if I get rid of it, I will need it, so I'm gonna keep it. But all you do is just press down on it. So you'll put your paper in there, press down, it makes the holes for you. Same here and same here. There you go. Easy. Got this off Amazon too. All right, next thing I have is this stencil set, and it comes with tweezers as well. So this has a ruler on it, on the side here, and then you can draw, make different designs, make different emojis, pretty much whatever you want to do in your planner. You want to write here sauna and pool. You know, or if your fur baby has a doctor's appointment, they have a dog paw on here. And in the date, say that's the date square, and you want to draw in here the dog paw, you can do that. And then just have that on there so you know your fur baby has a doctor's appointment. So it has this little pocket that you can keep it in, so you can keep it from getting scratched up and bent up. It also comes with this cutter pin, which is retractable, which is great because on the end of here, it is very sharp and it's used to cut things. So say if you have a sticker, and we'll use this sticker right here. Say if you have this sticker and you want this sticker to only fit up here in this corner and you don't want to use the whole thing, what you'll do is you'll just use this to cut it. Cut it in half, cut it in a triangle, cut it however you want. And it cuts it, and then you can just put it up there. Okay. Next thing is this white gel pen. I don't use this, but I know as soon as I get rid of it, I will want it. But it highlights things for you. So it's a gel pen, but it's white. This is for if you have stickers. Say for instance, you have this sticker right here and you're not trying to have like air bubbles and stuff in it. So you'll just take this sticker, get this off of here. Take this sticker, you'll lay it down, and then you'll use this to smooth it out. You can also use this to smooth out things that you're gluing in. Say if you're gluing something, say in your Bible, or a book or something that you're trying to tab up. You can also use this to smooth it out. And it just helps get all those air bubbles and all that stuff out of it. And then these are your tweezers, which helps you pick up your stickers. If your stickers are on, say, a piece of paper like this, your tweezers should help you just retrieve them very easily. Lay them down, and then you can use your scraper to smooth it out. And then you can write on it or write above it, however you want. All right, so those are some of my planner tools. I'm gonna show you, I just bought another laminating machine. My other one had run its course. So I will show you the laminating machine now. All right, cozy friends, so we have the laminating machine. This one comes with a paper trimmer, comes with a corner rounder to round your corners on your paper, comes with a stapler, comes with an extra cutter for your paper trimmer, and it also comes with some iron rings. And all this fits in here nice and neat. And it is, oh, you can put this, I'm sure you can store this in here too. Maybe right here. I'll store it somewhere else because it's sharp. All right, so now we want to get our laminating paper. This machine comes with, I think, 20 pieces. It's like 10 different sizes it comes with. So you just want to insert your paper that you're laminating. Of course, I like to have mine lined up nice and neat. And then I like to flatten it out just to make sure there's no bumps in it. And it's real easy. All you do, just line it up. Make sure you have room on both sides, and the machine is gonna feed it in here. So you don't have to do anything. And you'll feel when the machine has grabbed it. And then you just let it go and let it do its thing. All right, it's almost done. Actually, it is done. And there you have it. It's nice and laminated. Now you can cut it however you want. If there was a design in here, you cut it according to the design. But that's it. Thanks for watching, cozy friends. Stay tuned for the planner purse.